How can I increase the view count on my WhatsApp status?
Hello everyone! Today we're diving into an exciting topic: how to increase your WhatsApp status views. As we all know, WhatsApp status is a great way to share your thoughts, feelings, or just your day-to-day life with your friends. But sometimes, we might find that our status doesn't get as much attention as we'd like. Let's explore some strategies to boost those view counts.
What makes a good WhatsApp status?
First and foremost, let's understand what makes a good WhatsApp status. A good status is engaging, interesting, and relatable. Use high-quality images or videos, create unique and meaningful content that catches the eye. It could be a thought-provoking quote, a funny meme, a personal achievement, or even a glimpse into your daily life. The key is to share content that your contacts would enjoy or find value in.
Know your audience.
Knowing your audience is essential. Your status will likely get more views if it's something your contacts can relate to or find interesting. If your contacts are family members, share family-related updates or news. If they're colleagues, maybe professional achievements or industry news would be more appropriate. Personalize your status to fit your audience, and you will likely see an increase in views.
Timing matters.
Believe it or not, timing is crucial when it comes to status views. Posting your status when most of your contacts are active can greatly increase the number of views. This could be in the morning when people start their day, during lunch breaks, or in the evening after work hours.
Engage with your contacts.
Engagement is a two-way street. The more you interact with your contacts, the more likely they are to view your status. Regularly check their statuses, reply to them, and initiate conversations. This way, your contacts will feel more engaged and are likely to reciprocate by checking your status. In conclusion, increasing your WhatsApp status views isn't necessarily about posting more, it's about posting smarter. By creating engaging content, knowing your audience, choosing the right timing, and building engagement with your contacts, you can significantly boost your status views. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Let's start getting those views up.